Oh God. In just a few short hours, I will be at the DMV to get my new driver's license. I know the world is burning and there are much more important things going on right now, but girl, I need to have a good picture this time. It doesn't need to be anything outrageous or crazy. It just needs to not look fugly. So we're gonna go to the DMV, and then as a little reward, we're going to go to Portos after. And then ideally, I wanna make Christmas decorations today too, because I wanna decorate tomorrow. So let's like get ready. I have like pimple cream all over my face because when I get stressed, I pick at my face. And I haven't picked at my face for a really long time, but like of course the day before I get new driver's license picture, I'm like going to town on it. So I'm gonna do the best I can with what I have. I gotta wash my face. Oh God. I like vlogmas because I can just like sit here and say whatever, and I'm like, it's fine if this vlog is ass because you know what? I have the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day and the next day. And those will probably also be ass. And guess what? I like ass, okay? It's fine. Okay, I need to wash my face. Girl, I gotta get it together. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, but I don't like to do them on camera because they turn out ass. Okay, they look like you can see them. That's the main goal anytime, okay? I usually hate eyebrow gel or anything because I have been burned in the past, okay? It has turned out very clumpy, but I think today it will play in my favor. I know better how to use it. You can't even tell the difference. Honestly, that's better. I'm glad. Okay. This is the Beauty Blender Liquid Whipped Cream Blush in Cheeky Pink. I like this a lot. It goes on so nice. And I know I'm like talking about how my face is like breaking out and this and the other. I'm not doing any base makeup. I'm gonna regret it. Yeah. I feel like it will do worse than good. Oh God. It's fine. Do I try to cover it with concealer? Oh God. This is me like full on panicking. I have heard that the best thing to do is to just like let it sit for a little bit. Let it like melt into the skin. I don't know how long to let the concealer sit, so I'm just gonna blend it in now. I think it's supposed to get tacky, but not like completely dry. I don't know. The concealer on my problem area is clinging to the dry patches. Is that because I didn't do all of the steps of like skincare before you put on makeup? Yeah, girl, probably. But I don't know what to do now. We're here, okay? I don't know. It looks the exact same. Okay. I think the makeup is done. It's on my face either way, so I'm gonna go get dressed. Okay. Here's the outfit. My roommate got me this from New Zealand. It's a Mickey tote bag. Practicing my smile. They're gonna love that. My boyfriend took off today because I was out of town recently and we haven't seen each other and we love going to Portos, so blah blah whatever. When my dad takes his ID picture, he's like this. Part of me is like, and I'm like, no. Don't do it. I'm sorry, the sun, I'm trying not, if the sun hits me right, you're gonna see my mustache. That's like the last thing I need right now. I'm gonna get in there and I'm gonna do my best and I'm gonna do great. Oh. Girl, it's done. I've done it. My fingerprint wouldn't go through because I was so sweaty. It was awesome. I did say that we were going to go to Portos, and of course we are. But we figured while we were over here, we're going to get a Christmas gift for my boyfriend's dad because we can only find it at one place and we're kind of close. It's in Eaglerock. We're in Glendale right now. So it's like adjacent. So like we might as well just do it. My boyfriend's dad loves ube beer and we've only been able to find it at one seafood city. So that's where we're gonna go, and then after that Portos. Seafood City. I actually love Seafood City. God. Big day for the Filipinos out there. Yo! It's been so long since I've been in a mall. She looks so beautiful. Seafood City, Seafood City, Seafood City. We're really excited. And there's oh, Jollibee is behind us. Yes, they got it all. They got it all. Oh, your chippies. It's right there. Yes. Get two. Yeah, this is his Christmas gift. His dad was very happy with his Christmas gift. So look at this guy. Anything else? You want to get sicko? Okay, we're gonna get one more thing and then we're done. Oh, they have duck egg balut. His mom was trying to make me do this and I was like, girl, I can't. Oh my God, this is so inexpensive. Look how cute this is. Oh my God, this little bag of jellies. No, the minion one. We gotta stay focused. Your sticko, what flavor do you want? Oh, you want a bigger one? Okay. The classic. 2 stickos. Precious cargo. Come in here. Show the haul. Show the haul. Got 2 ube beers, 2 chippies, 2 stickos. Okay, I gotta put this away because I cannot crack these. I gotta have all hands on deck here. Big haul. We made it to the parking lot where the Portos is. This is my all-time favorite Goodwill. Unfortunately, they are next to each other and it is taking everything in my willpower to not go into the Goodwill because I don't need it. And like, I recently went thrifting. I'm like, girl, you don't need it. But I just like love thrifting. It's my favorite thing ever. And anyways, I just like, oh my God, I don't need to go to Goodwill. So we're just gonna go to Portos, okay? My willpower is being tested. It's being tested, but it's okay because I'm better. I'm stronger. Look how beautiful it is today. It's such a nice, lovely, beautiful day. There we are. Hee hee hee. There's the Goodwill. Ignore it. Ignore it. And then my other favorite thrift store is Salvation Army in Glendale. It's 2 minutes away. Like the willpower is insane that I have. Trust me. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get a dulce de leche latte. Oh my God.
And then it's handy for potato balls.
I got my dulce de leche latte. It looks so good. I got a chocolate twist, guava cheese rolls, and then regular cheese rolls, and then potato balls for my roommate. When I'm getting Portos, it's the best day of my life. Okay, I'm so serious. And the DMV was so easy, you never know. So for breakfast today, I am having a chocolate twist. This thing is cuckoo crazy. These are guava cheese rolls, potato balls, and then these are just like regular cheese rolls. I don't know what this is exactly, but these little like crunchy things, it's sugar. I thought it was like puffed rice, like a Rice Krispie, but it's sugar. I'm so happy. The amount of sugar I'm eating, I should be happy, you know? Okay, we're done with Portos. I'm caving. I will look at the clothes just once. Or not clothes, I'm not looking at the clothes. I'm just gonna look at the furniture at Goodwill. I know, I'm caving, I'm caving. I'm weak. I'm weak. I'm so weak. But I really like these and I hope they fit. And it was like a good sale. So, God, I'm so weak. Well, back home to try these on and make Christmas decorations. I don't want to talk about it. I'm weak. I have made it back home. I will say, I know I was kind of like freaking about going to Goodwill when I was like, I promise I'm not. But I will say this. I'm so... I'm so glad I went to Goodwill. I got 3 different things and I have been on the hunt for like a really good pair of shorts. Once I find one really good pair of shorts, I won't have to keep looking for them. And I've heard, especially for plus size girlies or the girlies with a big ass, that Abercrombie shorts are amazing. And I found 2 pairs. This pair was new and the tag said it cost $70 and I got it for like $8 or something. Like they are a little bit longer, which is exactly what I was hoping for. These are also Abercrombie. These ones are a little bit shorter and they're like cut off, but these are really cute. They were $2.79. Also, this skirt from American Eagle. Love a light wash mini skirt. Love the pocket details. Nothing on the back, which also I love. This was also $2.89 or whatever their sale tag is. I felt pretty bad about it. Trust and believe I really did, but it was worth it. I'm so excited. They are so cute, as promised. It is now time to make some DIY ribbon garland. Back there, I have 4 different ribbons. I hope they're not too thick. Let me show you the ribbon I got. This pink one, it's like a ruffle, a gingham, sparkly, snowy kind of. And then the last one I got, this white and silver one, I think that these colors look really cute together. So I'm just gonna get to it, make some bows. Okay, this is kind of cute. Oh my god, this is gonna be kind of a big garland. I think I will just glue in between here. My nails are like coated. My fingers are burning. Honestly, look how big it is. But I do have some left, so I think I'll just make another one with whatever I have left. But I'm like, oh my god, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. But it is really cute. I like these colors together. Oh my god, I really don't know where I'm gonna put these. But girl, that's tomorrow's problem because I think tomorrow I will be doing big Christmas decorating, one of my most favorite days out of the entire year. So that's tomorrow's problem when I try to figure out what to do with those. But I really like them and they will go really well with my Christmas decor. This is all for the vlog today. Actually, after this, I'm going to decorate my house for Christmas with my roommates and I'm going to hang up and hang out. So thank you so much for watching day 2 of vlogmas. I will see you tomorrow for potentially Christmas decorating. It's gonna be so good. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy vlogmas.